Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to buy online micro oven from Amazon. So first of all, I will search here micro oven, and Amazon is giving me a lot of keywords which is related to micro oven. For example, micro oven for kitchen, micro oven LED, micro oven cover, micro oven food cover, micro oven plate, micro oven station, and micro oven for kids. And here I can see there are a lot of micro ovens available on Amazon. Amazon is the very highest marketplace in the world, which is growing day by day. And here you can see, if I click one, and here you can see its price is $399 and its rating is 113. And here you can see its title: Photo Chief Cubic Counterable Convention Stream Cubic Micro Oven, and it is the best seller on Amazon. Here you can see this one. Its price is only $109, and this one is 16,465 review. And I will open this one, and here you can see its price is $149 and its rating is 278. So if I click on this, here you can see this one. So its rating is 17,247. It's very easy to use, and here you can see its prices is $239, and this one is rating is so much good. So here you can see this one is micro oven on Amazon. Amazon is the very highest marketplace in the world, which is growing day by day. And you can see it $399, which is 818. Its rating, which is 5-star rating, is 84, and 4-star rating is 7%, 3-star rating is 2%. So if I click on this is the biggest micro oven, and here you can see its price 119. See this one. So if I click this one, its price is $263. So I will also open this one. Here you can see there are many micro ovens available on Amazon. So if I click on page 2, see this one, next one, and first of all I will open this one. Here you can see it is the front side of micro oven, and when you will make anything on microphone, it will be look like this one. See this one. You easily can watch in video. So I hope now you have an idea how to buy online micro oven from Amazon. Please like my video, and thanks for watching.